How to use ave.ai base Sniper Bot. This video clip includes 1. How to select base chain in ave.ai base bot. 2. How to send and receive token by ave.ai base bot. 3. How to buy a token by ave.ai base bot. 4. How to sell a token by ave.ai base bot. 1. How to select base chain in ave.ai base bot. Select the base chain selection button. Then choose base if you want to trade on base chain. 2. How to send and receive token by ave.ai base bot. Click account button to check how many wallets in bot. We saw 2 wallets. The first one has fund, the second one doesn't have. So we will send token from first to second. Click receive to get the wallet address of second wallet. Copy it. Click transfer button. Select the first wallet. Select the token to transfer, ETH. Then paste the second wallet address that has just been copied. Select percent to send. I want to send 99%, so I enter number 99. Then wait for the order to execute. Done. We see ETH has been transferred from wallet 1 to wallet 2. 3. How to buy a token by ave.ai base bot. Click buy button. Enter the address of token that we want to buy. Information of token showing here. Then select the wallet we want to use to buy. Click buy X ETH button. Enter the amount of ETH want to use to buy token Dino. Enter and wait for the order to execute. Done. 4. How to sell a token by ave.ai base bot. Click menu button. Select sell. Enter the address of token that we want to sell. Select the sell amount. I want to sell all Dino, so I click the sell 100% button. Order successfully executed. Done.